Owner Quintin Croft here. I'm gonna go over what I have on my face and then we are going to do a lip of the day look. So I only used 4 colors on my eyeshadow and 1 color for eyeliner. So for my lid, I used the metallic shade of Gorgeous, using a very loose blending brush to apply it, just so it's really sheer. And then I blended the matte shade of Gorgeous and Bare for the crease and used a little bit of Gorgeous by itself on the outer edge to give it a little bit of definition, and the metallic shade of Bare right on the inner corner and under the brow for that nice, open, beautiful look. I did use Sultry for the liner. I'm wearing the BAQE mascara, which is on subscription. If you didn't already know, you can choose to have it sent directly to you 1, 2, or 3 months after you order. Then on my cheeks, I am wearing Glowing 2.0, which, I mean, now let's do a lip. I'm gonna start by lining my lips, making sure they're clean. They're hydrated but clean. So I had on some Vaseline and I've wiped it off, and now I'm gonna go in with my lip liner in Warm Mocha. I am going to line right along that ridge on the outside of your lips. Sometimes it has color, sometimes it doesn't. That's your vermilion line where your lip skin stops and your face skin begins. That is where you wanna line your lips. It is going to give you a really full look without looking ridiculous, and give it a few little mushies to blend. Okay, now that we've mushed and it's blended out a little bit, you can 100% take your finger and soften any spots that you want to, or use a brush. I actually really like it like this, and it's gonna blend seamlessly. I'm gonna now take the lip liner in Rue and color in the rest of my lip. These lip liners are so creamy that you can color in your whole lip, and you could leave it like this. You don't even need to put anything on top of it. It's just personal preference. They wear incredibly well. They do not feather. They are infused with hydrating ingredients, so they wear incredibly well. You can go on top of this with any gloss. I'm gonna use Creme Brulee just to make it a little bit more creamy, but you could totally go in with something like Better Than. That is completely clear. I'm going to grow a little bit right in the middle. All I did was mush, give it a few little mushies. If you wanna add more, this is super opaque, so the more that you add to it, the creamier it's going to get. This is like the perfect nude lip for me for this look that I'm achieving today. If you want it to stay the same, use this. If you want it to give more of a caramel vibe, or if you have a darker skin tone, use Perfectly Done instead of Creme Brulee. And you'll get a really beautiful, like butterscotchy kind of caramelly nude with this. I did use Warm Mocha and Rue. Look at that. Very full, very gorgeous, very subtle. Obsessed.